Hey, new frontier students, Mr. J here. I wanted to show you a little bit of these communication arts questions, the video games that you can choose. Like I mentioned before, it's best to do it if you have a desktop or laptop. It's kind of glitchy with an iPad. You can be able to pick from some of these arcade games like Space Invaders, Pong, Asteroids, Manic Miner. That's like I mentioned before, it's kind of like Super Mario Brothers. And then PacMan. So let me explain to you kind of PacMan's going to go. I'll click on that. What you'll have to do a lot of times is you'll have to answer a question before you play the game. Or if you lose a life, they have to answer a question before you start again. So, it's easy answer. Who's the coolest teacher? Me. Okay, now with an iPad, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go ahead and put your finger to where you want to move, like up or to the right or left or down. Now, if you, of course, have a desktop or laptop, you just go ahead and use the arrows, okay, the cursors, okay, up and then right and all that. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to kind of do that, see you'll get more questions. To gain extra life, you must answer 3 more questions correctly. Okay, so which word is a verb? She sprinted in the 100-meter dash at the track meet. So the verb is the action. Okay, the action in this case is going to be sprinted. Now I want to say with an iPad, you can answer, but you have to make sure to when you click on it to release quickly, because what will happen is it'll bring up another question. If your finger's still there, you may end up making the wrong choice in the next question. Okay, because sometimes you have to, like I said, the multiple questions here. So we have sprint here. What purpose for writing uses humor? Okay, we're going to talk about to entertain. And what figure of speech uses like or as? Okay, and that's going to be a simile. So I'm going to help you through some of this. So, and then you get a chance to play again. So that's what's kind of cool. I'm going to kind of not really try to work hard. I'm just going to kind of die here. I want to show you like the next thing that'll end up happening. I'm sure you're going to hang out there, come to me. I want to show you a little bit of how that's going to go. So then you have to answer 4 questions correctly, okay? And before you play again. So that's PacMan there. And then I'm going to show you another game here in a moment. Okay. Before teachers, I'm going to show you another game here. We showed PacMan. I'm going to show you a game called Manic Miner. Like I said, it's similar to Super Mario Brothers, sort of. I've used it in the past. We used a lot of desktops and netbooks we had, and it's called Manic Miner. Okay, so put a space to start. Like I said, it's pretty more effective if you have a laptop or desktop. So what you go is you go through, you use your arrows, left, right. Okay, to jump, you go up. Okay, now what happens is you're going to try to get through. I got to get the keys, okay? Oh, now I landed on that thing there. So to avoid losing life, you must answer 3 questions correctly, okay? So same kind of deal. With once again with the iPad, you want to use your arrows that are going to be on your screen that you could be able to use. Okay, so and then you're going to click on one of these. Okay, when you give human-like qualities to non-living things, what that means is personification. Okay, word or exaggeration not meant to be taken literally, hyperbole. And which word is a verb? We kind of mentioned this one before on the PacMan game, sprinting. Okay, so you're getting a chance in a life here. So I'm going to try to. And you'll have arrows at the bottom of the screen if you're doing it on an iPad. Oh, yeah, didn't get there as good enough there. So once again, you'll answer the questions here, and then you'll go chance in a life. And then I'm going to show you one last game here. Okay, students, I'm going to go and show another game. Like I said, you click on the menu here, and I'm going to go ahead and pick Space Invaders. Okay. Now, with an iPad, it is difficult to move the little ship there. Okay, so it's probably best on a desktop. You use a space bar to shoot. Oh! Now, I want to kind of show you what happens there. You go ahead and before proceeding the game, you must answer the question correctly. Okay? Oh, that's of course easy. So it's going to be random. So I'm going to show you a little bit, and then you're going to, I think, have to be able to answer some more questions. Be able to play 2 questions there. So you get the gist of this. So you got to be able to answer the questions here, okay, and be able to get a chance to play the game. Once again, if you have any questions, just message me in the Canvas inbox. Have a good day.